attention, please. It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Please welcome the coolest family. Let's introduce the captain, co-captain, head admin, admins, and members of the coolest family. Ipinapakilala ang babaeng nagsasabing, huwag mo susubukang mahalin, baka di ka makamove on. From Tondo, Manila, Captain Gang. Hi again, it's me, Taco. Handang dumayo, basta ikaw ay magpapabayo hanggang tumirik ang mata mo. Ladies and gentlemen, co-captain Taco. Ang babaeng nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan na huwag kang titikim ng masarap para di ka maghanap, at huwag mong sasarapan ang pagpapatikim para di mo ako hanap-hanapin. Ladies and gentlemen, co-captain Tala. Siya ay may isang kasabihan: mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo bago ka magmahal ng maling tao. Ibang tao. That's all. Thank you. Head admin Lawrence. Hi, Queen Secretary is currently still busy with a reason. Mamaya ka na magpapansin. Kulang ako sa lambing. Ladies and gentlemen, Admin Secretary. Hello, I'm Admin Yang ng TCF na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan na hindi man ako yung mahal niya, siya pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Ladies and gentlemen, Admin Yang. Hi, I'm Punky na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang. Aanhin mo pa ang damo kung ako ang kakabayo. Ladies and gentlemen, Admin Funky. At ang mga members ng coolest family. The busy person ng pamilya from Iloilo, member LJ. Ang member na may katagang, abutin mo man ang pangarap mo, siguraduhin mong nag-shape ka ng kilikili mo. From Cavite, member Bell.
Your Honor, hindi ko na pa.
Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit sa tuwing babangon ako sa umaga, punong-puno ng kasiyahan ang aking puso. Ladies and gentlemen, member Kyoko. Normalize things that you encounter. Ladies and gentlemen, member Uno. Ang nag-iisang mahal ng captain from Bulacan, member Nard. Ang stick to one ng pamilya from Zambales, ladies and gentlemen, member Kim. Wala akong bisyo, pero ako ay na-addict sa'yo. Ladies and gentlemen, member You Girl. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. Ladies and gentlemen, member Nozomi. Ang bungiskis ng pamilya from Quezon City, member Ash. Ang nagsasabing pwede nyong mahalin pero hindi nyo pwedeng kontrolin from Quezon City, member Jazz. I am bunso na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan. Hindi baling di gwapo, basta hindi babaero. Ladies and gentlemen, member Bunso. Ang reyna ng gubat, mabangis, hindi sumusuko. Hindi ako tatahimik dahil ako ang salbaheng reyna ng mga gubat. Ladies and gentlemen, member Ice. Love doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be true. Ladies and gentlemen, member Ocean. Ang nagsasabing pwedeng kiligin pero bawal mag-assume. Ladies and gentlemen, member Fox. Ipinapakilala ang Rain Hunter ng pamilya. Ladies and gentlemen, member Itsuki. Oops, teka lang. Humanda sa ulan ng The Coolest Family. The Coolest Family Official Lit Match BGM.
Match users, get ready for the Drop the Rain.
The Coolest Family, ibagsak nyo na ang ulan. This is The Coolest Family Official Lit Match BGM.
The coolest family. Drop it.
Thank you. This is the coolest family official lit match BGM.